Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are a sourdough baker, then you know the struggle of finding the perfect jar for your starter to live in.
Here is the Rakovar 50-oz Sourdough Starter Jar Kit. Two wide mouth jars ready for your starter. These glass fermentation jars make feeding and mixing your starter so simple. They come with accessories like a date tracker and thermometer sticker, which helps make the perfect, consistent results. It is perfect for homemade sourdough starter. There's really no guesswork. You can just mix it up and watch it grow. These are easy to clean and reusable with dishwasher safe glass. I love that it's two jars, so I often have one with my active starter and I keep one in the fridge with my discard for my other baking. I am still a beginner at sourdough, but I feel like I am at a pro level now that I have these jars. They have just made maintaining my starter so much easier.
The set of starter jars has been the most perfect thing for me in my sourdough journey. I highly recommend getting yourself a set. They are absolutely incredible. And that's my point of view.